All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Quick quiz. In mining, what are the top 3 base metals that produce the most silver as a byproduct? All right, time's up. If you guessed lead, zinc, and copper, then ding, 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 you are correct. Now, what you may not have known is that 61% of global silver production comes as a byproduct of mining for these 3 base metals. Now, 23.5% comes from copper, a smaller portion of the pie, and 37.7% comes from zinc and lead, the larger portion of the pie. So it's suffice to say, the base metals market is extremely important when it comes to silver supply. Now, I bet you can guess where I'm going to be going here. So, with base metal revenue being almost 50% of the global mining revenue that is currently at risk because of the ronies and all those shutdowns that are happening, what does that mean for silver? Well, find out shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. It helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more and more people into precious metals. Okay, so Kitco has a new one out entitled Silver Prices to be Sustained by Shrinking Supply, Higher Demand. So a lot of this article points to what could possibly be an additional reason as to why silver prices have and may continue to rise. So let's get into it. A poor base metal market has dampened supply. There's decreasing supply from the mining side, mainly because silver mostly comes from lead and zinc, and the pricing has not been very strong as of late, said Smallwood. We spend a lot of time studying the base metal sector because that's where we get most of our precious metal streams. During the past 6 months, spot zinc has stayed below $1 per pound, but recently the metal has started to gain some momentum. So, we see shrinking supply combined with increasing demand, and that's always the perfect recipe for strength in commodity prices. Silver, which always lags gold, has definitely taken a run. Silver is up. Now, I think in this point in the article here, they were trying to actually have a link here. That's what an href is in HTML, that markup language. If you guys do a little bit of web development, you would know. But let's go down here. Outside of people looking to silver as a precious metal for investment, Smallwood touts the industrial uses of silver. We continue to see strong growth on the industrial side. Silver is being consumed in high technology applications. And on top of that, it's got the strongest antibacterial benefits, said Smallwood. He also noted the need for silver in mobile electronics, solar panel manufacturing, and water purification systems. So this is just another reason as to why silver is shining right now. I mean, we could be experiencing a bit of a mining squeeze here in the base metals market, let alone the true blue silver mines that we know of in Latin America. So what do you guys think about all this? Again, as 61% of silver production comes from base metals mining, has this impacted prices greatly? Now, today, we have seen large inflows into SLV silver ETFs from investors. So yes, that has played a huge role today, but I'm just curious as far as the overall momentum, the upward trajectory that we've been seeing in silver. Do you think that the squeeze we've been seeing in the supply side of things has played a role? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. It's Black Bullion.